What have we got? We've got the ELETOROT. ELETOROT? I don't know. What does that say? Let's see if it says it somewhere else. It's the electric manicure pedicure set. Enjoy your nail salon at home. That's what it says. Model AOL02. Comes with a callus sander, a sapphire cone bit, felted wool bit, a barrel bit, a needle bit, a long cone bit, a cylindrical milling cutter, a coarse dice bit, and a clear dust shield. Company is called Marway, so I don't know what that is. ELETOROT. Something lost in translation. That's okay. That happens, right? Let's get this. Oh, there's something in there. The manual. Okay. So we got here. Is this a case? No, it's not. It's just plastic. They have an assortment of bits and polishers and grinders and etc. And then this is a dust shield. Here it goes. Let's pull this out of here. That's not too phallic at all, is it? Okay, so this. Let's get one of these bits. Put it in there. And then this goes on there like that. And then, oh, there's a light. Okay, so that's, I figured out how it works. Yeah, there's that name again. ELETOROT. USB charging at the bottom. Let's see if I can. There we go. So you've got USB charging at the bottom. This switch turns it on in either direction. This button turns the light on and off, and then this here steps through your, looks like 5 intensities. So once you get it on, it starts off in baby mode. And if you hit the intensity button, it goes to adult mode, then medium, then fast, then strong, and then back to baby. And then you can spin it the other direction. So it's pretty straightforward. As a unit, shield comes off pretty easily, as do the little bits. This part doesn't spin. The collet, it's like a collet, passes through. So this spins underneath. So if you touch this part to something, that's pretty good. I like that in terms of an idea. And then will this stand up there? Not a chance, I don't think. Yeah, okay. Then you get your charging cable, USB-C to USB-A, and then you get your manual, which you will tell you all the same stuff that I've been telling you for the past few minutes, but let's have a gander just in case, you know, I missed something. All right. Comes in 5 languages, the manual. English. We're going to go with German, French, Italian, and Spanish. Electric nail drill. Yep, everything I said before is in fact the case. And then it tells you what all the drill bits do. So your rated input 5 volts at 1 amp, 3 watts working power, 3.7 volts, 2000 milliamp hour battery, charging time 4 hours, working time 3 hours. Okay, and then we're off to a new language. Pretty straightforward product this time, huh? 8 drill bits. So we'll see how useful this is for me, because I, as I've said before, don't use these things for their intended purpose. Of course not. I use them to work with epoxy, small epoxy crafts that I make. That at some point I might sell. I might, and then I'll be my own sponsor. The thing is, what I'm thinking about these boxes is, they're all fun and games until you gotta get something back in there. You know? Maybe I'll start a new channel, start a reboxing channel. A reboxing channel so you can see how hard it is to put things back in the box. Anyway, there you go. ELETOROT. 8 drill bits. Electric manicure pedicure set. Coming at ya.